mykrowavetv.
Drag me back out of my car, man. I laugh. Someone I laugh for people, brother. Someone I jam me out of my car, brother. And I laugh, brother, and keep on do that for the brother. Yeah, man, I just left out of my house, brother. Police, eh? What's me, I see them and sit me and chat. Yeah, police. Boom, boom. What do you say?
Call Kazre, them to want the key. And them to we carry papers them come for feel so this man can make a accident report.
Brother, brother, listen up. Miss about them not like police, man not involved, brother.
I know what you like, brother. Just tell
Brother,
me.
he man in bed, brother, man not involved.
Alright, come in.
Tell him man say man lick your car and a run. Simple, brother. Tell him man. Let key take out one whole heap of crowd, the man call come down there for this, yeah. Business boy, man. It's a call, man. I'm like a few house, man. Few house, brother. You are step up in my place, brother. A few house, brother. I don't like them the thing there, brother. When you just step up in my house, brother, like a phone house, brother. But that's why I'm not like police. Brother, I'm just stop in house, brother. I don't want no police in my house, brother. You know, sister, me get mad. I want to know, brother. I don't want no police in my house, brother. Mad, me get mad. Think me a blood clot that. Yeah, man, go on, man. Talk about police now, brother, huh? Brother. I'm to them a people, brother. Lock up in my house, you know. Make sure I lock up in my room, you know. Think me I make the police at me, I'm in a murder. Hold on. Excitement to know how to give her. Yo, watch on. Yeah?
Come here.
Brother, look, I'm not involved, brother. Watch on. Brother, I'm not just a laugh with my thing, brother. With this and the police thing, brother. Serious thing with that one, brother. I'm not just a laugh with the man, brother. I'm not up on the bag of laugh.
Yeah, video.
Brother, you have video? Oh, no, alright. Serious thing, brother, I'm up on, brother. We're not involved, brother, on a run going argument, brother. Yo, brother, on the cook, brother, let's come on, brother. Them a police, I got near out my body all with some can. In the business, it, you know, I'm like my shop. Brother, listen, brother. I don't want to make no police I come at my place, bro. Brother? Look him on them go on at them beats. Brother, I'm not just stop irritate me, brother. Brother, make him man carry man book to her. Brother, listen man. Let me talk to this man. Serious thing with that man. Come like say, you don't know what to talk. Brother, listen brother. Just, who me? Listen brother. You see, listen, me tell you go. Remember I said they don't see when they take out no key on it, so they can't do nothing. Yeah, come on them go on, brother. Come on them left for me. The man I go come down there, make him and them go on, do what them have to do. I don't like police, brother. When they go on and left from me and get. Make him and them go on. Clear excitement, when them go on, brother. Yeah, brother. Man, them go on, brother. I'm a madman, brother. When come on them left from me and gate, brother. I'm a madman, brother. I don't like police, brother. Because if I never go on the exit, brother, listen. Jason, oh yeah, open door for police like you live here, brother.
Charge no call me name.
You live here, man?
I'm up door for police, man. Top call me name, brother.
Brother, I'm telling you, brother. Yo, I want to dig off, brother. You know, open police, you know, open door. But first, me I see them and thing, brother. And the middleman, oh, the blood clot go on, middleman. So if me never go on, man, the police are more left me on. Brother, I want to go and go down there, go deal it down and deal it, brother. Number one, I not going down a station. Number two, them not have no warrant for me. So number three, them cannot put me in the jeep. I'm a fucking celebrity. I'm a fucking celebrity. That's a number one. Hey, pussy clot. Looking at my bed. Me see police in my house. Me just get up. Me say, what are you doing now? Wanna come out here. Chat. Me have to buckle at you. Me have to say, brother, me don't like them youth. What the buckle at go on? Whole nation of police are barging. Don't know whether I think I idiot. Yeah, police them. Rain. Mr. Officer, you have a warrant to come in my place. I think that come like a joke, yo. Right time when I chat, I want to never kill anyone and kill me to pussy clan. I have to kill anyone and kill me. He bumbo clan, man. Police are killing the pussy club. bed you take a fuck you, brother.
But why?
You just saw him and Trev in a one room.
Hey, but you man, what you do now?
One room by
No,
yourself.
so what if they feel Tikki play? What kind of play me I feel? Me just give them slap party for diamond right there too.
Terry, whatever true. Terry come in the comment section and type.
Tikki man, the right out my bottom.
Yeah. My man is right out the bottom, and I'm no blood clot, man.
He beg me daily, I'm tell him, say no, I'm not entertain them, then ask him, say good night.
Move your blood clot, I'm talking about that's a lie. You're fucking
go by Baba, go line up.
But that's a lie.
Tikki.
What's the boy car?
Tikki, the boy
Why you
that
gonna
bottom down.
The boy need to take abuse.
Tikki, the boy that bottom down. Merci.
Look at this. Look at the girl up here for.
Merci.
End the blood clot.
Push up to end the blood clot. Like, that boy know me outside the truth.
Anybody else come and think that Trev want Tikki, I'm going to block him over here now. I'm going to come and say that I'm telling the truth of God love.
Your blood clot.
This one, I'm not telling a lie.
Merci. Listen me now.
I think if they wouldn't even pretend, because we didn't even try and pretend that as I would have said, I see your face, I would have said French kiss. If you didn't even give me a little chokes.
The door, I'm going to look if a police come, bestie.
And don't come off for your life.
No, me now come off. Police come, Jesus Christ, who called police?
How you doing?
I'm doing fine.
You're one of my Tikki.
Yeah?
What's up?
Just respect.
My boyfriend and my best friend.
What's going on?
Everything is okay.
Man, can I come inside?
Yeah, sure you can.
You guys moving or something?
No, we just moved in since recently.
Okay. So I'm getting calls about...
Keep going.
Excuse me.
51 shot third and 412 BC Street.
Somebody's
One,
calling
two,
about
there's
somebody
three of you guys?
fighting here.
Where's the
No
third
one is
person?
fighting.
Where's the third person?
He's in the room.
Right here?
Yeah.
No, he's actually in the bathroom.
Where's the bathroom?
Yeah, just with them
He's
boys.
You know.
taking a shower.
Alright, can one of you open the door so you make sure he's okay?
You can, yes, he's okay.
Well, we need to see it.
We're just coming from outside. He's okay, but he's in the shower though.
Alright, can one of you guys grab him so he can step out and we can just make sure everybody's in one piece and then we'll get out of y'all hair? Yeah, move forward to this. You got us all on a fatal phone.
I have no idea. I don't even know what's going on. Like I said, I was sleeping.